So I had actually managed to clean the entire benches here, make it look like normal. And then I decided to start cleaning Dad's cleaning area where he washes up. Well, this is where I spent my morning. It's absolutely filthy in here. I must have picked up 10,000 dead flies. I probably got more garbage out of here this morning than I've gotten out of the entire garage so far. Mostly controlled products that have expired and cleaning products that have solidified. So yeah, I'm gonna take a bit of a break and then I'm gonna clean this up. Okay, I'm still cleaning up the mess that the stuff that I pulled out from over here. But this is Dad's new cleaning station. Going to put the PP and stuff trailer back where it was. I'm gonna get a plastic mat to replace the one that was on there. I've got to put all that stuff underneath. There was just full of stuff back underneath there, stuff that he hadn't used in over 20 years. It was old survival kits and first aid kits that everything had expired. But washed the walls, pressure washed everything, the whole area. Put bleach and everything down here, and it's cleaner. But that's literally what I did today, was that cleaning station. And that took me all day.